In a New York courtroom, a remarkable story unfolded as Hope Hicks, once a cornerstone of Donald Trump's 2016 presidential campaign and later a White House communications director, took the stand in Trump's hush money trial. Accused of falsifying business records to conceal payments made to adult film actress Stormy Daniels, among others, Trump faces 34 counts in a case that could have profound implications on his legacy and America's political landscape. At the center of this trial is Hicks's testimony, weaving together a narrative of political crisis, personal emotion, and the complexities of loyalty. Hicks, visibly under the strain of her situation, recounted the moments the Access Hollywood tape became public, a recording from 2005 showing Trump in an unflattering light, making crude comments about women. The revelation sent shockwaves through the campaign, with Hicks and others believing it could severely damage Trump's election prospects. Amid the urgent communications, there was a clear strategy to deny, despite the undeniable tension and fear that gripped the team. This tape wasn't just a challenge, it was a crisis that threatened to derail Trump's campaign entirely. The clincher, according to Manhattan prosecutors, was the brisk action taken by Trump's then lawyer, Michael Cohen, to quash negative stories, notably paying Stormy Daniels $130,000 to ensure her silence. Hicks testified that Trump, initially unaware of Cohen's actions, later saw the wisdom in keeping Daniels' story under wraps. Trump's defense suggests these payments were made to shield his family from scandal, not to influence the campaign. However, Hicks' testimony and her subsequent emotional breakdown in court painted a picture of a team under siege, frantically managing fallout, and trying to navigate the stormy waters of a scandal-ridden campaign. Adding another layer to Hicks's already compelling testimony, her reflections brought to life the internal tumult that followed the Access Hollywood tape's release and the subsequent efforts to manage the Daniels revelation. Her recollections included the near avoidance of Trump's gaze, her own nervous demeanor, and a moment of tears that spoke volumes of the weight carried by those in Trump's inner circle during his campaign and presidency. The contrasting images of Hicks's loyalty and her emotional turmoil offer a unique insight into the complexities of working so closely with Trump, under the intense scrutiny and pressure of political campaigns and legal battles. While the trial continues, with key testimonies from Cohen and Daniels anticipated, Hicks's account adds a human element to the proceedings, reminding spectators and jurors alike of the real emotions and personal loyalties that pervade such public and pivotal moments in history. It's a narrative punctuated not just by legal arguments and evidence, but by the lived experiences of those who found themselves in the whirlwind of Trump's campaign and the fallout that followed. As the trial moves forward, Hicks's testimony will undoubtedly serve as a cornerstone of the case, illustrating the intersection of personal loyalty, political crisis, and the quest for truth in the complex saga of the Trump hush money trial.